Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
First, check your iPad Pro has USB-C or Thunderbolt, and iPad OS 15 or later. Next, choose a compatible external SSD with USB-C or a USB SSD plus an adapter. Use a USB 3. One drive rated at 5 Gbps for fast transfers. Keep cables short, ideally 1 meter, to reduce power loss and disconnections. If the SSD is bus-powered, plan to supply 5V1, 5A7, 5W from a powered USB hub. Have a powered hub ready for high-capacity 1 TB drives. Start by connecting the SSD directly to the iPad using the USB-C port or adapter. If the drive does not mount, connect it through the powered USB hub. Then unlock the iPad and open the Files app to see the device under Locations. Tap the drive to browse folders and media, just like internal storage. To copy, tap Select, choose Files, then move and pick a destination folder on the iPad or SSD. For large transfers, keep the iPad awake and disable auto-lock in settings temporarily. Format the SSD as exFAT on a computer to support files larger than 4 GB. For best performance, choose a USB 3, 1 or NVMe enclosure and test read speeds around 5 Gbps. Use professional apps like LumaFusion or Adobe Lightroom to edit video and RAW photos directly from the drive. Always eject the SSD inside the Files app before unplugging to avoid corruption. Keep a backup on cloud or another drive, and safely unmount when finished for reliable long-term use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.